during a session. Comes under what? Session or state management. Session or what? State management. Sorry. Remembering client data across the multiple requests during a session is called session management. Session management, remember very carefully. It remembers one client data, that too during a session. Once the session is over, it will forget the data. For example, Gmail login. Sign in to sign out, it remembers. Once you sign out, it forgets. It never remembers permanently. You remember permanently. Next to me who occupies that browser can enjoy with my account. Yes sir. ATM machine also. Once you say exit, it will forget PIN number. But as long as you did exit, you are continuing transaction, it will remember PIN number. Why? For balance inquiry, PIN number is required. For withdrawal, PIN number is required. For mini statement, PIN number is required. But every time it won't ask. It will ask only for one time. Until you say sign out, it remembers. Yes or no? Once you say exit, it forgets. No, if it is not forgetting, once you say exit, next person who comes and uses that ATM will enjoy your card. Yes or no now? So that's why session tracking is not just remembering data. It's all about what? Remembering one client data during a session, that too only during session, not after session. Once session is over, data is over. Are you getting clarity on it? Once session is over, data is over. That is the most important point that we have to put together. So full and final conclusion is session tracking is all about remembering one client data during a session. During a session. Once the session is over, it will forget. Once the session is over, it will what? Forget it. That's it. But other option I am talking about here is what? What is that? State management. What management? State management. State management remembers data, but not specific to one client, not during a session. It remembers data forever. Suppose I kept the data in servlet context attributes here. That data not specific to one browser, not specific to one session. Forever it will be there. As long as web application is there, servlet context object is there. So that's why the data is visible in all web components for all the requests. So it won't come under session tracking. It comes under what? State management. One more example I will give. One more example. First request data I collected, written to table. Second request data I collected, written to table. Third request data I collected, written to table. What happened? Second request can use first request data from table. Third request can use second request data by collecting from table. It looks like a session tracking, but it is not session tracking. Why? That's the biggest problem. Not only that client, other clients also can use database data. Not only during session, after session also the database data is permanent. So that comes under state management. For example, you take hidden boxes. As long as session is going on, hidden boxes will be there in form place. Once I close browser, everything goes off. Data gone. Data gone or not? And one client, see, one browser only can use those hidden boxes. Other browser will get their own hidden boxes. One browser hidden box value not visible to another browser, right now? So that's why hidden box comes under what? Session tracking. Why? Because hidden boxes remember client data during a session and specific to one client, not for all clients. Are you with me? If I take it try, I'll definitely put this question. What is this? What is the difference between session management and state management? What is the difference between session management and what? State management. Are you understanding my point? In session management, in session management, Web application remember client data only during session, that too specific to one client. That too specific to what? One client. In state management, come on. In state management, are you understanding my point?
Yes.
Web application remembers data before session, after session, okay, during session, and that too not specific to one client, common to all clients. So that's why storing data in servlet context attributes, storing data in database table, okay, at the end of every request does not come under what? Session management. It comes under what? State management. Does not come under session management. It comes under what? State management. Got the clarity on it? Yes. To remember user identity during session of what? Email operations. To remember session identity during session of what? Email operations. Yes or no? Okay, not this one. Yeah. What is the difference between session management and what? Session tracking and state management. In state management, web application remember client data irrespective of what? Session that is started and completed. By using database table and what? Servlet context attributes. In session management or tracking, web application remember client's data only during the session. Once the session is completed, this data will go off. For this, hidden form field, cookies, HTTP session, URL rewriting kind of what? Techniques will be utilized. Techniques will be what? Utilized. I hope everyone connected to this point.
Yes.
Everyone thoroughly enjoyed this point or not? So that's why remembering data is not important. To remember data, there are many ways. You should remember data only during a session, that too specific to a client. Gmail session here. Okay. It will remember my username and password only that sign in to sign out. That too specific to one browser. It is remembering username password of mine not only for my browser, for other browsers also problem. After sign out also problem. Before sign in also it is remembering problem. You should remember only during session specific to one client. Statement is like remembering is important. We never remember. That's why we don't want state management. We need one session management. Maybe at the end of the session, you want to make the data permanent. We may make as we have done yesterday's class. Until two forms data comes, I want to see second form only, first form data. Once the second request processing is completed, if you want to make the data more permanent, you may write to table. There are what statement means comes into picture. But in between first and second forms, okay, in between say first and second forms, okay, what is happening? They are not making data permanently to be there. Yes or no? Best example is Gmail. It remembers only during session, but specific to what? The session started between browser window and web application, specific to what? Each browser. Multiple clients start, multiple session with what? What is that? Web application on one per client basis. Session and session related data is always specific to what? One client. And only that client can use what? Session data across the multiple requests during the session. Only that client can use what? Session data across the multiple requests during that session. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed it. Okay, boss. With this what we completed first technique. Sorry, you didn't do any use cases for it. Okay. Don't don't worry about use cases. Let me complete all the 4 techniques. At the end, we come to one conclusion. Which technique is useful in which situation? Because if I analyze which technique is useful in which situation, you will be confused. You will be seriously and thoroughly confused. That's the reason I suggest you people to think on it, okay, at the end of all the process. So can I go for next level discussion now? HTTP cookies here. What's the second technique? HTTP cookies. Tell me what you mean by cookie? Biscuits or chocolates? One hand. Cookies means what? Biscuits or chocolates? Everyone understood what is session tracking? Yes. Remembering client data across the multiple requests during a session. The data of the session tracking should be there only during session and should be specific to one browser. Should not be common for all clients. Should not be common for what? All requests. Only during session specific to that. So that's why first request data written to table, second request data while written to table, while processing third request, I can collect first request, second request data from table, and you may say that hey, session tracking. Come on, the data that you are written to table can be used by only this client or any client, and is visible only during session or after session also. Then how does it become session tracking? So that's why. Still yesterday I have given one wrong feeling to you people. What is this? Hey, while processing fourth request, if I am able to use remaining 3 request data, session tracking. While processing current request, if I am able to use previous request data, session tracking. Like this I talked, right? But today, same point here, but not on permanent basis, on temporary basis. So I am adding small extra word on this. Yes, na? So here what is this? HTTP cookies.